Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today we're talking about changes to university in 2022. A few things changed at university in 2021, totally aside from the pandemic. So the Job Ready Graduates Package was passed by the federal government at the end of 2020, and that brought in a bunch of changes. Some of them started last year, some of them start this year. Last year, probably the biggest thing that you would have heard about was the change in course fees. A lot of course fees went up. I'll link in the description so you can see what kinds of courses cost what amount of money. The fee help loan fee was paused last year, but it's back this year. Last year, we also brought in the requirement for pretty much all uni students to have a USI, the Unique Student Identifier, and the HECS help discount came back. This year, the fee help loan fee is back again, but it's being reduced from 25% to 20%. The 50% pass rate has been introduced for HECS, and I've written a blog post about this, so I'll link that in the description. Basically, this has been around for fee help before. You need to be passing half of your subjects in order to continue to be eligible for HECS, which is pretty reasonable, but it means if something happens to you in a semester that was outside of your control and you're not passing, really important to talk to someone, because it may mean that if you don't, you lose your access to HECS, and that could be a huge financial burden. The student learning entitlement is back. You may not know what this is. It used to be around and it was abolished in, I think, about 2016. Unfortunately, it's back. Basically, the student learning entitlement is the amount of time you can spend studying in a Commonwealth supported place. Commonwealth supported places are places where the government is paying a portion of your fees for you to make it more achievable for you to study. And now that the student learning entitlement is back, you can only study 7 years full-time equivalent in a Commonwealth supported place. If you want to do an 8th year, you have to pay full fee. Full fee for most university courses is about $30,000 a year. So that could make a big difference to your future. This might impact on the kind of pathway you might take if you're taking a pathway to uni, because taking a year of university study in order to improve your selection rank may now not be as attractive an option, because it takes one of your student learning entitlement years away. For more info, check out the links in the description, and if you want to talk about your options, you might want to talk to a careers counsellor. If this has been helpful for you, please consider liking it. If you want to hear more stuff like this in the future, subscribe. And let me know if you have other questions or you have some ideas for careers that you'd like me to interview. Cool. Have a lovely day.